हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। मैं आपकी बीएड वाली लड़की। हम पढ़ रहे थे ब्रांचेज ऑफ साइकोलॉजी और आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं इंडस्ट्रियल ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल साइकोलॉजी, जिसको हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म में आईओ भी बोल सकते हैं। इंडस्ट्रियल ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल साइकोलॉजी ये किसके ऊपर फोकस करती है? इनहांसिंग वर्क प्लेस परफॉर्मेंस एंड वेल बीइंग। ब्रांच ऑफ साइकोलॉजी दैट अप्लाइज साइकोलॉजिकल प्रिंसिपल्स टू द वर्क प्लेस एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल सेटिंग्स एंड इट हैज़ 3 प्राइमरी गोल्स। अब इसके 3 प्राइमरी गोल्स हैं, क्या है? परफॉर्मेंस, वेलबींग और इफेक्टिवनेस इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस। ठीक है, द फर्स्ट वन इज द परफॉर्मेंस। परफॉर्मेंस कैन बी इम्प्रूव्ड इन द सेवरल वेज। द फर्स्ट इज जॉब एनालिसिस एंड डिजाइन, मतलब by identifying some points like responsibilities, skills, competencies, ensuring a good fit between the employees and the roles. The second one is the selection and the recruitment, by developing effective selection methods to identify top talent, reducing turnover and improving job performance. Now the third one is the C, training and development, by designing training programs to enhance employee skills and knowledge. Now the second goal is the well-being, so improvement of well-being. So the first point for it is stress management. By developing stress management programs, employees' stress can be reduced and well-being is improved. Now the second point is work-life balance. Industrial organizational psychologists help organization by creating policies and programs to support work-life balance for employees and improve well-being. The third point is employee engagement. Industrial organizational psychologists develop strategies to enhance employee engagement and motivation and job satisfaction. Now the third goal is effectiveness in organization can be increased by developing strategic plan aligned with organizational goals and objectives. Second point is by developing performance management system to evaluate and improve employee performance. Third point is by developing team building interventions to improve communication, collaboration and teamwork within organizations. Now here are some advantages of industrial organizational psychology. The first one is improved performance. Second, enhanced employee well-being. The third is provide insight in better decision making. Fourth is increased effectiveness. Now here are some challenges regarding to the industrial organizational psychology. The first one is the psychologist must stay up to date with changing work environment and technologies. अब उनको अपडेटेड रहना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, psychologist must develop effective methods to measure the impact of their interventions. अब उनके interventions का क्या impact पड़ रहा है, उनके लिए उनको measure करने के लिए effective methods होने चाहिए उनके पास में। Psychologist must navigate organizational politics and power dynamics. Psychologist must address diversity and inclusion issues in the workplace. Okay, that's all. Here your industrial organizational psychology is completed with including all these points. I hope you understand all these points, and if you like the video, like, subscribe and share with your friends.